Hi everybody, I'm going to show you a few family meals that you can cook under $20. Alright, first we're going to take our whole chicken. As you can see the price of the chicken, I left it on there for you guys to see. Definitely can make a whole meal for family of 4 under $20, probably even less. Alright, so we're going to start by, of course, getting a young whole chicken. And we're also gonna take it out the pack, and I'm gonna cut it up and clean it. I prefer to clean it with vinegar, lime, and sometimes lemon. Get all that fat and all that extra stuff off there. And we're gonna break it down. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna split it in the middle, cutting the back out of it. And we're gonna just take all those nasty little guts and stuff out of this chicken. You got to make sure you clean it really good. Get all the feathers and pluck it out really good. Alright, now that we done cleaned the chicken, we're going to place it on the board just like this. Going to pat it dry a little bit. Make sure it's clean. Make sure there's nothing else on that chicken. It should look, you just scratch your chicken out just like that. Now I'm going to season it. You can season it the way you like, but me personally, I love a lot of spices. And whatever you do with this dish, you must have like maybe olive oil or vegetable oil, some type of oil to coat the chicken with, so it can get the nice brown color that you like. Alright, so these are all the seasonings that I like personally. You season it the way you want. It's your business. That's your thing. Alright, so now I'm about to start just oiling this chicken down, getting the chicken all nice and moist. There you go. Just put the oil all on it on both sides, actually. I'm just going to show you how I season the front side, but you can make sure you season the back side as well. So I don't like too much seasoning, but I don't like too little seasoning. So this is the way I like to do it. Just get all those spices in there. Normally I will use some thyme and some rosemary, but I was out today of that. So we had to make it do what it do. Just use the seasonings that's already in your cabinet. Don't go out and buy a bunch of stuff. Just stick to what you got. It would taste, I promise you it's going to taste delicious in the end.